Do I have to wear a mask? Are they gonna close down the country? There's a bird flu!
We interrupt this program to bring you an important announcement. There is an outbreak of Boyd flu. That's right, I said Boyd flu. Do not feed, pet, touch, eat, or breathe near Boyds. The Boyd flu can be deadly on rare occasions. Symptoms include your nose looking like a beak, feathers growing in your crotch, and a desire to eat worms. I repeat, stay away from Boyds. We now return you to your regularly scheduled program.
Oh my God! The bird flu! The bird flu! There's a bird flu! Oh my God! What do I do? Is there a vaccine for this? I'll throw the eggs out. Eggs come from birds. I guess I'll throw chicken out too. Chickens are birds. Can the Eagles get the flu? Will they infect the Chiefs? Oh my God, there's a bird flu. Can I watch Bye Bye Birdie or Birdman of Alcatraz? Oh my God, there's a bird flu. I better get rid of all this bird seed. It's only going to attract more birds. Does Larry Bird get infected by the bird flu? Oh my God. Can my cock get the bird flu? Do I have to wear a mask? Are they going to close down the country? There's a bird flu. I'll disinfect the bird feeder. Oh my God, there's a bird flu. I'll drain the bird bath and put fresh water. I won't put any water at all. Oh, oh God. Oh no, bird poop. Does my car have the bird flu now? Am I in an Alfred Hitchcock movie? What the fuck? Why don't squirrels and chipmunks and rabbits get this flu? Why just birds? Is it all birds? How does a bird blow its beak? Oh my God, there's a bird flu. Oh my God. Oh my God. Alan, where are you? Alan, the bird flu's going on. Alan, where are you?
Vic, I'm over here.
Where?
Vic, I'm here, look. I got the bird flu.
Oh my God, Alan. Oh,
Vic.
Oh my God.
I got the bird flu. Karen got the bird flu.
Oh, get away from me. Get away from me now.
Vic, where you going? I'll shit all over your car.
Now you want a cracker?
31.